my friends, it is your loan guy, Troy, with the Reichert Mortgage team here. Wanted to give you a mortgage market moment. It's a special one. It's an election edition of this mortgage market moment. Please do me a favor. If you think this content is valuable, please like it. Please share it with somebody who might be able to get some value from it. And also, I'd love you to subscribe to this channel. We're trying to grow it. We want to make sure that this information is getting out there. We kind of give an unbiased, unfiltered real information out there. Want to make sure that we get that out to as many people as possible. Now, if you remember in some of these videos, these are just a few scenarios, okay? We have many other loan products. Different interest rates would apply to different things. But again, we just want to give you a feel for what's going on out there in the market, okay? Now, we are a broker as well. What does that mean? Well, we have many different ways to help you out. If you have lower credit scores, if you have maybe some income differences and you only want to look at bank statements if you're self-employed. Remember, we can look at all of those things and make sure that you have the right options in front of you. Also, interest rates change daily or sometimes multiple times a day. So we're going to timestamp this as of 08:30 in the morning Mountain Standard Time. Now, our scenarios are as follows. We talk about a $450,000 purchase price. We absolutely roll in $175 each for property taxes and homeowners insurance. We do not look at a homeowners association in these scenarios. So again, each house is going to look a little different. But again, we wanted to give you this information to you. Now, without any further ado, we're going to get rolling here. VA purchase 660 credit score, no money down, 6.25 on that interest rate, 6.503 is the APR, and we're using the first time VA usage in this APR, okay, because the funding fee does get rolled into the APR. Estimated monthly payment on that is $3,180 and change. Conventional purchase, 740 credit score, 10% down on this, okay? 7.375 for the interest rate, 7.566 APR, estimated monthly payment, $3,207 and change. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer or you qualify for some income eligible products out there, you could have a lower payment and a lower interest rate of about $100 on this scenario. So really nice there as well. So we can talk about that. FHA purchase, 660 credit score, 3.5% down. Again, the minimum amount on a FHA loan. 6.25 interest rate again, same as the VA, 7.016 APR. It always has a higher APR because there's monthly mortgage insurance. VA does not have that. Estimated monthly payment, $3,268.51. There are your scenarios. General direction compared to last week as far as interest rates, they are a little bit higher. Why is that? Well, there was some economic data that recently came in that wasn't what most expected. Also, seems as though there's kind of like this waiting mode for the election, right? So what's going on with the election? Well, here's what I wanted to tell you. Yes, there are some definite changes going to happen no matter who wins, okay? Some people say that this is going to happen if one person wins versus the other. What I want to focus on for you is remember, no matter what you um, need, it doesn't matter who wins the election, okay? You determine if it's the right time to look at a purchase or a refinance. For a purchase, a higher rate indeed might be able to give you a better buyer's market out there, more negotiating power with the sellers, getting some help with the closing costs, getting a lower payment as far as getting a lower purchase price as well. Remember, and you could potentially, and I think probably will be able to refinance at some point down the road to get that permanent lower payment and lower rate. So you indeed saved money on the house, saved money on closing costs potentially, and you can have a better monthly payment later on down the road. So I wanted to let you know election time, really important. I'm not saying it's not important, but it's really about you, okay? If you think you can afford it now and you want to be able to have negotiating power, let's go ahead and take a look at that, right? I think it might be a benefit to you. And then you can indeed refinance down the road potentially, okay? No crystal ball here, but I think almost everybody in our industry is thinking that at some point you'll be able to refinance. So again, Troy, your loan guy with the Reichert Mortgage team, let's have that consultation. Contact information is right there for you. Looking forward to chatting. Have a great day.